Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. Namaste. We were discussing about the lesson comparing quantities. Now we'll discuss about converting the percentages to fractions or decimals. So here 1% is given, question is 1%. It can be written as 1 by 100. So that is the fractional form. What is the decimal form? 0.01. Now 10% can be written as 10 by 100. When you convert into the simplest form, 0 cut 1 by 10. But a decimal form, it will be 0.1 because the denominator is 10, 1 decimal, isn't it? 0.1. Now 25% can be written as 25 by 100. So convert into the simplest form, 25 ones are 25 fours are. So fraction will be 1 by 4. But the decimal will be 25 by 100 can be written as 0.25. 2 zeros, 2 decimals. For decimals always the denominator should be 10, 100 and all, isn't it? So that will be better. So 1 by 4, when you when you convert 1 by 4 into decimal, it will be this much. Now 50% can be written as 50 by 100. Now 51s are 52s are. So the fraction will be 1 by 2. But the decimal will be 100. Isn't it? 100 means it is a 2 decimal. So it will be 0.50. That means 0.5. 0 in the decimal side, if it is on the right side, it has no value, so 0.5. Now 90% can be written as 90 by 100. Now 0 cut and it cannot be cut again, cancelled again, so it is a 9 by 10. But a decimal form, you have to 10. Denominator is 10. So 1 decimal 0.9. Now 125%, 125 by 100. If you simplify, it will be 25 5s, 25 4s. So you will be getting 5 by 4. But here you cannot write directly. It is not easy to write the decimal form. So take this 100, the before simplification, what is it? 125 by 100, so 2 decimal, so it will be 1.25. So this is the way to convert the percent into the fraction and also the decimal. For decimal, always see to it that the denominator should be either 10 or 100. That will be easy to write. If it is 10, 1 decimal. If it is 100, 2 decimal. But for fraction, you have to convert into the simplest form. Okay. Now coming to the try these questions from page number 162. 35% plus how much percent is 100%? So to get this, you have to subtract 35 from 100. 100 minus 35. So 0 minus 5 not possible. So 10 minus 5 is 5. And here now how much is remaining? It is 0. मतलब 10 में अभी 9 बचा. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So you will be getting 65%. Now here 64% plus 20% plus how much is 100%. So to get this, what we have to do? Add these two, subtract from 100. Now 64 plus 20, it will be 8, isn't it? 84%. So 84 should be subtracted from 100. So 100 means 10 minus 4. 84. 4, isn't it? 10 minus 4 is 6. So here 9 is remaining. 9 minus 8 is 1. So you got how much? 16%. Now 45% is equal to 100% minus how much? So what we have to do? 100 minus 45, isn't it? So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now here 9 is remaining. From 10, 9 will be remaining. 9 minus 4 is 9 minus 4 will be 5. Isn't it? 45% is equal to 100% minus 55%. Now 70% is equal to dash percent minus 30%. So to get 70, you have to subtract 30 from what? So 70 plus 30 is 100. So 70% is equal to 100% minus 30%. Isn't it? So did you understand this? Addition subtraction, it's just addition subtraction. Okay. Now coming to the second question, if 65% of the students in a class have a bicycle, what percent of the students do not have bicycle? See, 65% they have the bicycle, but they have asked the percent of students who do not have the bicycle. So first you write percent of students having bicycle is 65%. Therefore, percent of students who do not have the bicycle. So total percent will be how much? Always it is 100%. Isn't it? 100% marks we say. So 100% minus 65%. So subtract 10 minus 5 is 5. Now how much is remaining? 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. So how much you got? The answer, 35% of the students do not have bicycle. Clear? Now coming to the third question. We have a basket full of apples, the oranges and mangoes. 50% are apple, 30% are orange, then what percent are mangoes? So three types of fruits are there: apple, orange and mango. So percent of apples is how much? 50%. Percent of oranges is 30%. So what is the percentage of mangoes? What we have to do? Total is 100% minus 50 plus 30. So it will be 100% minus 50 plus 30 is 80%. So the answer will be 20%. So 20% are mangoes. Understood? So आप लोगों को तीन टाइप के फ्रूट्स है, तो 50% एप्पल है, 30% ऑरेंज है, तो कितने मैंगोज है? तो क्या करने का? टोटल इज 100%. 100% माइनस एप्पल और ऑरेंज का परसेंट को ऐड करके माइनस करो 100 से. ओके. नाउ कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर example. Try this finished. Now example 11. What percent of the adjoining figure is shaded? अभी देखो इधर ये फिगर में शेड किया गया, इसमें से कितना परसेंट शेड किया गया पूछे हैं. तो पहले आप लोग फ्रैक्शन फाइंड आउट करो. ये टोटल आप लोगों को कितना है देखो, और उसमें से कितना पार्ट शेड किया गया. देखो इधर फिगर को ठीक से देखोगे तो एक फुल है, एक फुल है, इधर एक आधा है, इधर एक आधा है ना. सो इसमें से 1.5 इज शेडेड, 1.5 इज नॉट शेडेड. दैट मीन्स टोटल में से 3 पार्ट है, उसमें से 1.5 is shaded, 1.5 is not shaded. Means what? Half of the figure is shaded. है ना. फिगर देखोगे तो clear cut hai. One box is shaded, one box is not. But in this half box and half box equal they are. So that means half part is shaded. Therefore, percent of figure shaded is how much? The fraction is half into percent, 100. To convert into percent, you have to multiply by 100. 2 ones are 250s are. So 50% of the figure is shaded. Clear? Now coming to the try these, page number 163. Now what percent of these figures are shaded? In this figure, so the total number of parts is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So percentage of a shaded parts. So shaded part is 3. Write it in the numerator. Total number of parts is 4. Write it in the denominator. To convert into percent, multiply by 100. So 4 ones are 4, 25s are 100. So 25 threes are, it is 75%. Clear? This was easy. And now coming to the next question. There is a figure. In this, it is a shaded. Some parts are shaded, some parts are not. So, see how many shaded parts are there. So, this is 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and 1 by 8. So, these many parts are shaded. Now, total shaded parts you add. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. When you add the fractions, you have to take the LCM. Now 4 and 8 में LCM क्या आएगा? 8. Now 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So 1 by 4 is converted into 2 by 8, isn't it? 4 2s are 8, so 2 4s are 1 2s are 2. Numerator will be 2. Now 1 by 8, 1 by 8. It will be remaining the same. So now you add 2 plus 1 plus 1. It will be 4 by 8. So you got 1 by 2. Okay, that is the total shaded parts. Now percentage of shaded parts will be how much? Percentage of shaded parts is half of half into 100. So half into 100, 2 ones are 250s are. So you got 50%. 50% of the figure is shaded. Clear? Now coming to the next, it is converting the percentage to how many. How many are there? Like that type of questions. Okay. Now, a survey of 40 children showed that 25% liked playing football. How many children liked playing football? So now you have to find the number. Percentage is given, you have to find the number. So total number of children, how many? 40. Out of that, how many percent? Percent of children who like the playing football is how much? 25%. So find out the number of children who like playing football. So 25% of 40. So to get the number, what you do? 25% of total. 25% of 40. So 25 by 100 into 40. 25 ones are, 25 fours are, 4 ones are, 4 tens are, 40. So you got 10. So 10 children liked playing football. Understood? So the word problems here, they have given the percentage and you have to find out the number. Now coming to the same type of sums, try these from page number 164. Now 50% of 164 will be how much? 50% can be written as 50 by 100 of means multiplication, then 164. Now 50 ones are, 50 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 eights are 16, 2 2s are 4. So you got the answer. 1 into 82 is 82. Now 75% of 12. So 75 by 100 into 12. 75 and 100, they come in the table of 25. 25 threes are 25 fours are 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. So 3 threes are, it is 9. Now 12.5% can be written as 12 twos are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2% of 64. So this is a mixed number, convert into the improper. 12 twos are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2%. Okay, now write 25 by 2. Now this percent has to come in the denominator, isn't it? Now multi of means multiplication, then 64. Now 25 ones are 25 fours are. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 2 remains 24. 4 6 are 24. Now you will be getting 2 ones are 2 eights are 16. So you got the final answer is 8. कटिंग समझ में आ गया है सबको? सो जितना कट करने को होता है, कट करते 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 जितना आया, प्लीज बी केयरफुल while cancelling. Okay. Now in the percentage, the some numbers you should remember. So to get 100, it is 1 into 100 is 100. 2 into 50 is 100. 3, it won't come. 4 25s are 100. 5 20s are 100. And 10 10s are 100. You should remember this table. For a percentage lesson, anything related to percent, if you remember this, it will be easy for you to cancel. And 25 का टेबल तो ऑलरेडी मालूम है. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125. इतना याद रखो. Now coming to the second question, 8% of the children of a class of 25 like getting wet in the rain. How many children like getting wet in the rain? Abhi number of children you have to find out. Percentage is given. So total number of students, how much? In a class of 25. So right, total number of children is 25. How many percent of children? Percent of children who like getting wet. It is 8%. So therefore, number of children who like getting wet. It will be what? 8% of 25. So 8 by 100 into 25. So 25 ones are 25 fours are 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. So it is 2. 2 children like getting wet in the rain. Okay. Now coming to the example 13, Rahul bought a sweater and saved rupees 200 when a discount of 25% was given. What was the price of the sweater before the discount? अभी वो स्वेटर लेकर आया, डिस्काउंट कितना है 25%, और उसने बचाया 200, मतलब डिस्काउंट अमाउंट इज 200. उतना बचाया, इसका मतलब डिस्काउंट परसेंट is 25%, but discount amount is 200. Now at before the discount, what is the cost? So let the price of the sweater before the discount, let it be rupees X. ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चन का जो भी है x. So the price of the sweater before the discount, let it be x. Discount percent is 25%. Discount amount is rupees 200. So discount किसके ऊपर डाला जाता है? पहले डिस्काउंट के पहले उसका कितना कॉस्ट है उसके ऊपर. So that is 25% of rupees x is equal to 200. So 25 by 100 into x is equal to 200. So x is equal to 200. राइट साइड में 200 है, ये डिनोमिनेटर का 100 जाएगा न्यूमरेटर में और न्यूमरेटर का 25 आएगा डिनोमिनेटर में. When it is going to the right side from LHS to RHS, it changes the position. डिनोमिनेटर वाला न्यूमरेटर में, न्यूमरेटर वाला डिनोमिनेटर में. 25 ones are 25 fours are. Now 4 0 0 0 and 4 twos are 8. So the price of the sweater before the discount will be rupees 800. Is it okay? So find out the price of the sweater before the discount. इसके लिए उसको x लेकर करने का है. So 25% of x is 200. Please take care of this sum. Understand properly and solve it. Now coming to the try these questions. 9 is 25% of what number? अभी पहले का वो स्वेटर वाला सम वैसे ही है, सेम टाइप के ये सम्स. So 9 is 25% of what number? So let the required number be x. Now 25% of x is 9. That means 25 by 100 into x is 9. So x LHS में ही रहेगा. Now right hand में 9 है. This 100 goes to the numerator and 25 comes to the denominator. So 25 ones are 25 fours are 9 fours are 36. So 9 is 25% of 36. That's the answer. Now coming to the second question, 75% of what number is 15? Same as that. So let the required number be x. 75% of x is 15. So 75 by 100 into x is equal to 15. X, let it be on the left hand side, and in the right hand side 15 is there. Take that 100 to the numerator and bring that 75 to the denominator. Now 15 ones are 15, 15 fives are 75, 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100, it is 20. So 75% of 20 is 50. Is it clear? So we have completed the examples, some examples, and try these up to page number 164. Hope everyone understood this. There are so many topics, so different topics, everything is covered. Then we will go to the exercise. Okay then, bye. Thank you.